Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with English news. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. The US House of Representatives impeached President Donald Trump and sent its impeachment resolution to the Senate to convict him. The Islamabad High Court restrained Naeem Bukhari from working as chairman of Pakistan Television while hearing identical petition against his appointment. In an apparent departure from its stance of denying any illegal funding from the United States, the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has now come up with an explanation that if any funds were collected illegally through two US companies registered after Imran Khan's written instruction, the responsibility lies with their agent managing the two limited liability companies. They, after accusing the Sharifs of offering him a bribe to drop an investigation, Broadsheet LLC owner Kavi has turned his gun on an incumbent government and called on Prime Minister Imran Khan to publish the arbitration order that resulted in the loss of whopping $29 million to the national exchequer. Pakistani diplomats believe that India getting chair of three United Nations Security Council committees could be looking ominous, but may not be quite as much. 4 days after his rather meaningful tweet on recent brutal murder of Hazara coal miner in Mujh, Balochistan, Prime Minister's spokesperson Nadeem Afzal Chand resigned from his office. The judicial inquiry into the killing of 21-year-old Osama Sethi in the federal capital found flaws in the police account of the incident. Removal of half-dozen officials from their present posts to prevent them from influencing the investigation. South Korea Supreme Court upheld a 20-year prison term for former President Park Geun-hye over bribery and other crimes as it was wrapped up a historic corruption case that marked a striking fall from grace for the country's first female leader and conservative icon. It's the end of today's news. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like it, share it and comment on it. And also follow us on Facebook. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.